Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to boot your Samsung Chromebook Go from USB flash drive. So first of all, you're gonna have to prepare a USB flash drive or an SD card reader like this with the Chrome recovery image on it, and insert it into one of the available ports of your laptop. We have a separate video where I explain creating the recovery image step by step. It is titled How to Install Chrome OS from USB on your Samsung Chromebook Go. After you inserted your USB flash drive into your PC, you have to press Escape and Refresh buttons together, and while holding them together, should press the power button, and then your device will detect your USB flash drive immediately and will start creating, basically will start uploading the OS image from your USB flash drive to your computer. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.